All right, now that your warm-up challenge is done and your brain is starting to think about those shapes in new and interesting ways. Now you're actually going to start brainstorming for your portrait. So you're going to pick 3 facial features. You're not going to do noses because you just brainstormed a bunch of noses, and you can always go back to some of those or even jump off of some of those for your final. So you need to come up with 3 portraits that are visible in your portrait. So if you chopped off your ear or your ear is covered by your hair, don't put an ear down here. Use this time wisely. Make sure they're features that you know that are in your portrait photograph. Break them into simple shapes, just like before. So if I think of the eye, it's kind of that oval, it's a circle. If I think of the lips, it's kind of 2 half moons. And then I could draw, let's do the chin. So if I draw my chin, is kind of goes back like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start thinking about those shapes and what could I do as a novel or new idea. I could do like, this could become a sushi roll. So I've got the sushi roll inside the eye. These ones, the top ones didn't have to involve food this time. This one does, because you're going to have to change at least one of your features into food. So that could be a sushi roll, or I could do something like the whole thing could become a lemon. Realize I'm not going to do a bunch here because I don't want you copying my ideas. I want you to come up with new and novel ideas for yourself. So you're going to come up with, you can even label them. If your drawings aren't very good, that's okay. Just label them. Because it's more about the idea at this point than the actual object. So, finish this part here. Come up with at least 5 different new novel ideas that are food related based on your features.